Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Bob with Homestead with Sadie. So today we're going to do a little project. And my daughter, she grows, or has been growing, these two banana trees right here. Two of them. So, what we got is, they're inside obviously for the winter. But what we got is this one right here on the right. The little frame she made for all the dirt. See the bottom fall off. This one fell off. And on this one she's got plywood, heavier wood, with some 1x2s for decoration. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna actually fix this one. Because that's it's over 2 foot high, but it's got openings. When you water it, water pours out that part. So what I'm going to do is I actually have some fence boards. And I'm going to get the pieces. I'm going to patch that. Because I don't know. Unless I can take that off and that dirt will stay. Might be compacted enough where I can take these off. And I'll just put fence board pieces, line it up and make it a lot heavier. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing we want to do is get our measurement. So 11 inches. So let's go cut 2 at 11. No, we're going to remove them. We're going to remove them for the simple fact that the screws I have for this will barely go through the 2 of them, but through the board, it gives me a good depth. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to remove that bottom one without losing any dirt. Looks like we might get lucky. Oh, look at that. So, let's go with a full one. Okay, so we got that bottom one. Dude, actually, all right. It don't matter to me how she did it. It's just that I replace these outer ones. Put a full one in. Oh yeah. Oh, I'll get better. No, that'll split it. Next, just keep taking them off. Let's see where I got so far. Just got the last one to do. This is the last one, then we'll spin it. We'll get on to the next one. Okay, so there it is. Looks so much better. heavier, not falling apart. That way, in the springtime, I can take it back outside. Because you can see it's growing pretty good. It's actually all the way up to the ceiling. But it's got a nice thick base. She's done very good with that one. Obviously, that one's got new ones coming out too. They both do. So,